Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income, ways to make money while you sleep. Whether you want to build long-term wealth, gain financial freedom, or just have extra income streams, passive income can be a game changer. I'll be sharing some of the best ideas to help you start earning without constantly trading your time for money. Stay tuned, because these strategies can set you up for long-term financial success. Let's get started. Passive income has become a buzzword in the world of finance, and for good reason. It represents a way to earn money without actively trading your time for dollars, allowing you to build wealth over time with minimal ongoing effort. While passive income does require an initial investment, whether in terms of money, time, or both, the long-term benefits can be substantial. If you're looking to secure your financial future, here are the top 5 passive income ideas that can help you build lasting wealth. 5. Real estate investment. One of the most popular and time-tested methods of earning passive income is real estate investment. Buying rental properties allows you to earn consistent cash flow while benefiting from property appreciation. Whether it's single-family homes, multi-unit apartments, or commercial properties, real estate can provide significant returns. By purchasing properties in high-demand areas and renting them out, you can generate a steady stream of income. While there are responsibilities such as property maintenance and dealing with tenants, hiring a property management company can help minimize your involvement, making it a more passive endeavor over time. Additionally, real estate investors can take advantage of tax benefits, leverage their properties to acquire more assets, and build equity that appreciates over time. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, is another way to benefit from real estate without directly managing properties. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate, and they pay dividends to investors. This allows individuals to earn passive income without the need for significant capital or active management. 4. Dividend stocks. Another excellent way to earn passive income is through dividend stocks. Investing in stocks of well-established companies that regularly pay dividends can be a great way to generate a consistent income stream. Unlike growth stocks, which focus on increasing their market value, dividend stocks reward investors with regular cash payments. Many blue-chip companies, such as those in the S&P 500, provide reliable dividend payouts. By reinvesting dividends, investors can take advantage of compounding growth, accelerating their wealth accumulation over time. While the stock market comes with risks, diversifying your portfolio and investing in reputable dividend-paying companies can mitigate these risks and provide steady income. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and index funds that focus on dividend-paying stocks are also great options for those who prefer a more hands-off approach. These funds provide diversification and steady returns without requiring investors to manage individual stocks. 3. Digital products. Creating digital products is another powerful way to build passive income. Unlike physical products, which require manufacturing and shipping, digital products can be created once and sold indefinitely with little to no ongoing effort. Examples of digital products include ebooks, online courses, stock photos, music, and software applications. With the rise of e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Udemy, and Shopify, selling digital products has never been easier. Once you create and market your product effectively, you can generate recurring revenue for years to come. While the initial effort to create high-quality content can be substantial, the long-term rewards make digital products a worthwhile investment. Additionally, subscription-based models for digital products, such as membership websites and software as a service, SaaS, can provide recurring revenue. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, and Teachable allow creators to monetize their content through memberships, exclusive courses, or paid newsletters. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative passive income strategy that involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. This can be done through blogs, social media, YouTube channels, or dedicated websites. By creating valuable content and strategically integrating affiliate links, you can earn money while providing useful recommendations to your audience. Some of the most popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Affiliate marketing requires an upfront effort to build an audience and create engaging content, but once established, it can generate income on autopilot. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income. To scale affiliate marketing efforts, many successful entrepreneurs use search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising to drive traffic to their content. Additionally, leveraging email marketing campaigns can help retain an audience and increase affiliate conversions over time. 1. Peer-to-peer lending and high-yield savings accounts. The final strategy on this list is investing in peer-to-peer lending and high-yield savings accounts. Peer-to-peer lending platforms, such as Lending Club and Prosper, connect investors with borrowers, allowing them to earn interest on loans they fund. By carefully selecting borrowers with good credit histories, investors can generate attractive returns. Similarly, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, provide a safe and passive way to grow your money over time. While these methods may not offer the highest returns compared to other investments, they provide stability and security, making them ideal for conservative investors looking to earn passive income with minimal risk. Additionally, investing in bonds, such as municipal bonds, corporate bonds, or treasury bonds, can provide a steady stream of passive income. Bonds are lower-risk investment vehicles that generate periodic interest payments, making them a good option for those looking for financial stability. Final thoughts: building passive income takes time, dedication, and an initial investment, but the long-term rewards can be life-changing. By leveraging real estate, dividend stocks, digital products, affiliate marketing, and peer-to-peer lending, you can create multiple streams of passive income and achieve financial independence. The key is to start early, remain consistent, and reinvest your earnings to maximize growth. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income, save for retirement, or achieve complete financial freedom, incorporating passive income strategies into your financial plan is a powerful step toward long-term wealth. One of the most important aspects of building passive income is patience. None of these strategies will make you rich overnight, but with persistence and a well-thought-out approach, you could steadily grow your wealth over time. Start small, educate yourself on the best opportunities, and continuously refine your strategies to optimize your passive income streams. With the right mindset and commitment, financial freedom is within reach. And that's it for today's list of passive income ideas. Which one are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments. If you're serious about building long-term wealth, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.